welcome back to Artsy Alicia's kitchen. Today I'll be assisted by the best citrus squeezer in the world, Ollie.
Yeah, what's cooking?
So today I will be making a nice, fresh jalapeno salsa.
Really? Cool. Can I squeeze them now?
Not yet. So what you'll need are 2 banana peppers,
Ooh.
4 jalapeños,
Hot.
cilantro leaves,
Yummy.
just a handful. You'll also need a whole lime
Ooh.
and a lemon squeezer. So let's get to work. This is a really easy and fun jalapeno salsa to make, and it's really good for you. The first step is to just cut your banana peppers into nice thin slices, and then once you're done with that, you cut those thin slices into finer pieces. First step with the jalapenos is you just slice them right down through the middle, and then you open it up, and then carefully just move your knife in a circular motion so that you can cut out the ribs, the hottest part. There we go. Ooh. I'm gonna do that with the other one. Awesome. And then just remove some of the seeds there. And just chop them up.
Can I squeeze these little things now?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Oh, yay!
Once all the peppers are chopped up and put into the bowl, you can squeeze the lime. Oh. Now, one of the last steps is to just finely chop the cilantro and put it into the mixture.
Oh.
And now you just mix everything up and then put a little pinch of salt in everything as well. This is gonna be so delicious, and it tastes really good with rice.
Oh geez, I can smell the heat. Oh my gosh.
This fresh jalapeno salsa is going to become the taste of the summer. Let's eat!